Welcome to Science Biology. Today in this video I will discuss about plant hormones and their function और effects के बारे में बात करने वाले हैं. So list of plant hormones. First is auxin, gibberellin, cytokinins, abscisic acid, ethylene, brassinosteroids and jasmonate. These are important plant hormone जो आपके एग्ज़ाम में पूछे जाते हैं. इसके फंक्शन और इसका इफेक्ट क्या होता है. तो फर्स्ट इज ऑक्सिन. ऑक्सिन physiological effect and function. Using auxin effect on cell elongation and expansion of stem and coleoptile. Cell differentiation, that means high auxin concentration induce differentiation of xylem and low auxin concentration induce phloem differentiation. Advantageous root formation. Auxin inhibit the elongation of primary root but stimulate root initiation on stem cutting. Apical dominance, that means the growing apical bud inhibit the growth of lateral bud. Auxin promotes food development. In some plants, seedless fruit may be induced by treatment of unpollinated flower with auxin. Seedless fruit is called parthenocarpy. And tropical response. Auxin induces growth in plant organ under influence of direction stimuli like light and gravity. Gibberellins. Gibberellin promotes internodal elongation in genetically dwarf plant species. Elongation of stem in rosette plant like spinach, cabbage after application of gibberellin also support its role in stem elongation. Application of gibberellin promotes the formation of flowers. Gibberellin causes seed germination by activating vegetative growth of the embryo. Application of gibberellin can cause fruit growth, and gibberellin play important role in vernalization, pollen germination, delay ripening, delay senescence of root and malproduction. Cytokinins. Cytokinin involved in the formation, maintenance and growth of the shoot apical meristem. Cytokinin and auxin stimulate morphogenesis, shoot and root initiation in the callus. Cytokinin and auxin also induce crown gall formation in dicot plants. Direct application of cytokinin to axillary buds inhibit apical dominance and stimulates the growth of lateral bud in many plants. Cause delay in leaf senescence and seed dormancy, chloroplast maturation. Abscisic acid. Abscisic acid causes stomatal closure and also inhibits stomatal opening. Abscisic acid promotes the root growth and inhibits the shoot at lower water. Abscisic acid required for the development of desiccation tolerance in the developing embryo. High level of abscisic acid in maturing seeds inhibit germination. Abscisic acid inhibits GA-dependent hydrolytic enzyme synthesis. GA means gibberellic acid. Inactivated abscisic or low level of abscisic acid can lead to precocious germination and also effect on late embryogenesis. Ethylene. Ethylene induces flowering, epinasty, advanced root and root head formation. Ethylene associated with fruit ripening and tripole response. In tripole response includes reduced stem elongation, increased stem thickening and horizontal growth inhibited. Brassinosteroid regulate the growth and differentiation of plant through their life cycle. They promote cell elongation and cell division, differentiation of xylem tissue and inhibit leaf abscons. Jasmonate. Jasmonate play a role in anti-herbivory and antimicrobial function, regulate the plant abiotic and biotic stress, inhibit pollen germination, tuber formation in potatoes and stimulate ethylene biosynthesis. So these are some information, physiological effect or function of plant hormone which is useful for your exam. Thank you for watching.